Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make steamed bhangra fish. For this I took 250 grams bhangra fish. In a grinder jar add a small bowl of coriander leaves, few mint leaves and 5 garlic pods, 3 slitted green chilies, a teaspoon salt and juice of quarter lemon slice. Blend all the ingredient without adding water, then add a tablespoon curd. Mix well. In a steel tiffin box, first layer out this mint coriander leaves paste and then layer out fish. Fill some mint coriander paste into the abdominal cavity, also the outside of the fish. Pour a teaspoon oil. Now close the lid properly. Now in a pot add sufficient water, put a stand, let the water boil and then put the tiffin box, cover with another lid and steam for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Steamed bhangra fish is ready for serving. Serve it with steamed rice when it is little hot. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.